Hi guys, we are here. My hubby busy fixing his Harley.
Harleys.
Mm,
Two.
he has two Harleys.
You need to get a battery or two.
Mm,
And maybe a carburetor or two since it's been so long.
yeah. He's going to remove the battery to fix. Na-miss niya na sumakay ulit sa Harley. Ay, shock. Tambay lang yung dalawa niyang Harley. Kaya ngayon sinipag siya. Linisan namin. At saka only the battery problem, my love.
Yeah, maybe the carburetor.
Carburetor.
From sitting so long. But we will see that after
But
get his battery put on it.
But yung gulong okay pa guys, oh.
Probably hook the battery up to it. Probably hook the car battery up to it and check it out.
Oh yeah. Ganda ng kulay. Lavender. Mababa lang siya guys, oh. Mas malaki ito. Ito sa doon. This is the big one. Than there.
Yeah, that's 1,000 there. 1,000 cc's, and this is a
1,000 cc. And then this one
1,200.
1,200. 1,200 cc. Yung makina okay naman. Wala naman problema. Yung battery lang sira na. Dahil tambay lang siya at arawan at saka yung sa snow. Kaya yan ang problema pag hindi mo gagamitin palagi. Harley Davidson. Okay. Okay. No, it's a video.
Lift
It's
it
a
up.
video, that one.
Lift it up. Set it up.
It's hard.
Set it up.
Broom. Oh.
That's the Kickstarter there.
I can do this. Break. Oh my God.
That's
I
a
can do this. It's heavy. It's heavy. Wow, super. It's heavy. Oh my.
Well, don't push it too far. He'll knock it over. Hold it up. No, hold it up. Use your legs and hold it. There you go. Okay, now hold it. Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
No, don't move.
Yeah.
It will fall over on you, and that thing's heavy.
I can manage. I can manage. Oh. Oh, mababa lang siya guys, oh. Picture me lang. Another Harley. This is Sue's Harley. Ah,
in my car.
and then the sports car.
My car.
Your car? Sports car. This one, it's so nice.
Have you seen your bikes now?
Yeah, I was trying to clean it up. I see where my battery cracked, frozen, busted.
Interesting.
It's so nice.
Yeah.
I got a guy that came out today and he's interested in both them
Ito ay umaandar naman kasi wala pang time yung
and that trailer.
may-ari na
Came out here today on a brand new Harley.
i-service sa labas. Dito lang. Malapit lang.
Well, he's a mechanic, so he said he'd come work on his vehicle.
Ah,
He wants a moped.